right, who wants to see some action tonight? Here to cause all the trouble, the kitchen's Katie Lee and music legend, Carnie Wilson.
You want to see Bobby get beat? That's what we want.
Katie, you brought a rookie with you.
This is my secret weapon. Haha. Music icon, cookbook author, chop champion.
Yeah.
Woo!
I was in the talk, and you were guest hosting.
You were making your food, and I was getting very excited. I just said, "You're sexy." I was like, "Bobby."
I'm counting on her to like get you a little flustered.
I was like,
tonight.
get Carnie on the show.
But you're going down.
All right, ladies, tell me who's up tonight.
In Philly, he's known as the Sausage King. Please welcome Executive Chef Jeremy Nolen.
You are not the only one bringing the spice tonight, Bobby. From Dallas, Executive Chef Vijay Sadhu.
Jeremy, Vijay, welcome. What's your main goal tonight?
To have fun and beat you.
For that to happen, first, you must go through each other.
Excellent.
I'm gonna give you 20 minutes to make one ingredient the star of your dish. That ingredient is some buttery brioche.
Who doesn't love brioche that's buttery? It's got a lot of flavor going on.
I love that sweetness in it. I can do anything with the brioche.
These ladies decide which one of you goes up against me in round 2.
Let's go, Bobby.
All right, guys, 20 minutes on the clock. It's all about the brioche. Go.
The moment Bobby tells me brioche, instantly I know what I'm gonna make. French toast with a berry confit.
Today I'm making an egg in a picture with a tomato and pancetta marmalade.
Ooh.
It's completely burnt. I have to redo one of the brioche.
Jeremy, you gonna make it with that last one?
How much time do I have?
90 seconds.
So I take the brioche and I plate that first. Spoon a little bit of the marmalade on. I remove the cut out rounds. They look a little bit burned, but still buttery.
VJ's just standing there.
I'm waiting for you, Bobby.
I know.
You plated so early that everything's starting to melt.
Is that gonna make it soggy?
I flip over my new brioche and it's perfect.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That's it.
Everyone loves breakfast for dinner, and this is a great combination of sweet and savory.
My whipped cream started melting, but Jeremy, my flavors are perfect compared to yours.
This is all gonna come down to what the two of you did with your brioche. Chef Vijay, tell us what you made.
I made a French toast with berry confit with a spiced whipped cream.
I really like your use of spice. I can taste that nice egginess from a French toast batter. However, the whipped cream started to melt because you plated so early. It allowed your French toast to get soggy.
I agree. It's super soggy, but the flavors are beautiful. I've never had a whipped cream like this before, but I wanted even more spice. So Jeremy, tell us what you made.
I made an egg in a picture, which is an egg baked inside the brioche with the tomato and pancetta marmalade.
My egg is how I would cook it runny, but not raw. But the burnt part is what gets me.
I love cutting into that runny egg yolk and mixing into that marmalade, and it just becomes this rich goodness. However, it is a touch too sweet for me and could have benefited from some salt.
Chefs, if you can give Katie and I a moment to discuss.
Oh boy, it was too soggy. I just hope my flavors pull me through.
The chef that will be moving forward is Chef Vijay.
I'm proud of my dish, and I don't agree with the decisions, but I learned a lot of things that I can take with me.
So, Vijay, your use of spice, that's a big advantage going against Bobby because this guy's the king of flavor.
I call him Bobby Flavor.
Congratulations. So you have a very good command of those flavors.
I was trained under one of the best chefs, Stephen Piles.
Stephen Piles is one of my mentors. Is it gonna be Southwestern?
No.
Great. Well, why don't you tell us what it's gonna be?
My signature dish is gonna be samosas.
He's not good with pastry, so this is good.
Katie and I will not be choosing a winner for round 2.
We have 3 industry professionals to do a blind taste test.
You each have 45 minutes to make the best samosas you've ever made, or the only samosas you've ever made, Bobby. Your time starts now.
my sauce, I'm gonna start with some onions, curry powder, white wine, coconut milk. The coconut just kind of quells the curry. And I add a little bit of honey because it needs a little bit of sweetener.
We've got 9 minutes. Hi, Bobby.
Hi.
This is the sauce?
Yeah.
Bobby, that's an excellent sauce, but I'm not sure how Indian it tastes.
Curry?
Just because there's curry doesn't mean it tastes Indian.
It's an Indian curry.
Hey, you took my baby kale.
No, it's right there.
Oh, thanks.
I have to get started on my salad. I'm using baby kale, cucumber, and baby radish.
Vijay, I saw you grab some kale.
Making a salad.
Do you think it needs it? Yeah? All right. I'm gonna trust you.
For the vinaigrette, I'm using lemon juice, fresh mint leaves, olive oil. The mintiness of the vinaigrette will mellow out the hot spices in my samosas.
Yeah.
Good luck, chef.
So it's time to fry my samosas again.
Come on, come on.
Less than 30 seconds.
I pull my samosas and I gotta get them on the plate. They got a little bit golden, but I probably would have left them in there for another 30 seconds or so. So I'm plating with the curry sauce on the bottom, the samosa.
Come on, Vijay, get it on the plate.
Catch up.
Oh my God, my hands are burning, but I don't care. I gotta plate it.
There goes that kale salad. He is just dumping it on. Looks like presentation might be out the window. Get the sauce on the plate.
At the last second, I put the chutneys on the plate.
Finally, pomegranate cashew relish.
Come on.
No problem. Well, I certainly did not pull off the shape, but they taste good, and I also like the presentation.
Time got to me, so I'm a little worried about my presentation, but I know the flavors are fantastic.
Congratulations, Vijay and Bobby. Now it's time to meet your judges.
Chef and cookbook author, Aliya Leekong. The chef owner of Freud, Eddie Frauneder. And the founder of Julie Sahni's Indian cooking school, Julie Sahni. Today's challenge was samosa, so please start with the first samosa in front of you.
This samosa tastes like comfort to me. The dough has a really nice crispness to it. The tamarind chutney, I find a little bit on the sweet side. I know it's supposed to be sweet, but it's a little too much.
I do like the traditional fillings of the peas and the potato. It does look like the salad was thrown on last minute. Also, the samosa is good enough that it doesn't need that much salad.
The test of a good samosa is the dough. I found the dough to be quite amazing. That mint chutney, the yogurt was a little heavy on it. Otherwise, it's a classic presentation.
Okay, judges, if you could please change plates.
Well, I think the first thing is how visually stunning this dish is. It's like the perfect little parcel. For the samosa itself, it's underspiced. It could have used more heat to it.
The flavor of the shiitake gives it a meaty texture. It speaks for artistry when you make something taste like meat. However, where it does fall flat is the crispiness of the samosa, which is very sad because it would be borderline perfect.
As you said, the samosa dough is not cooked fully, so I have problem with that. But I love the presentation. It's very sensuous, almost flirts with you.
Well, it's that time. Make a mark next to the dish that you like the best.
So my dough needed a little bit more time in the fryer, but they like my modern twist. Hopefully it's enough.
The judges have reached their decision, and the winner is Chef Vijay!
I just beat Bobby Flay. I beat the king of spices. Now I am the king of spices. Look at me now, Dad.